Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Game Pass Ultimate or Cloud entitlement and signing into the correct Microsoft account. This ensures authorization. Next, pick a supported device and update its browser or app so streaming codecs match. Connect to a fast network, wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi gives stable bandwidth. Once done, close bandwidth-hungry apps and test a speed check. This reduces lag. These first actions clear authorization and network hurdles, so the streaming handshake can proceed smoothly. You now open the browser or Xbox app and sign into the same profile that has cloud access. This is where the service will present your library. If a network firewall blocks the service and you are allowed to change networks, switch to a personal hotspot or an approved VPN to route traffic. That resolves many access blocks. Pair your controller, and if you see stutter, lower the stream quality setting to prioritize input responsiveness. This step balances access with playability. You launch a cloud title and immediately test controller input and audio to confirm the stream is responsive. This verifies the end-to-end connection. If performance is poor, make a quick change. Move to wired Ethernet or reduce resolution and frame rate so latency drops. If problems persist, restart your router or modem and clear the browser cache to remove stale sessions. As a targeted troubleshooting tip, changing DNS or reconnecting the hotspot often resolves
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.